Zayn Malik is embarking on his first ever solo tour, hitting the road in the UK and US. The One Direction star confirmed the exciting news during his appearance on US talk show Jimmy Fallon on Tuesday night. The surprise appearance saw the Brit singer hand Jimmy a note which read, "Hey Jimmy, great to see you mate. I am going on my first ever solo tour this autumn, so maybe when you are done picking apples with your birds, you can come check out my Stairway to the Sky tour across the US and UK. Let me know what date you want tickets for." Zayn then confirmed the dates with a social media post on Wednesday telling fans, "Appreciate your patience, love and support. Can't wait to enjoy great music together this time. I really mean soon see you in 35 days." The tour will commence in the UK on Wednesday, November 20 in Edinburgh. The intimate 6-day UK tour will then stop in Manchester, London and more before concluding on December 3 in Newcastle. Fans will see the star perform tracks from his critically acclaimed recent 4-studio album Room Under the Stairs, released earlier this year. The tour will be held in intimate-sized venue to highlight the raw and stripped sound of his critically acclaimed 4-studio album. Fans can expect to hear the new record along with fan favorites never before performed live. Tickets to the Stairway to the Sky tour will be available starting with the Zayn VIP key pre-sale Thursday 19 September. General on sale will begin on Saturday 21st September. For the past 6 years, Zayn has been writing and crafting Room Under the Stairs at his home studio in rural Pennsylvania. This album marks his most personal release to date, reflecting where he is in life, while exploring the complexities of healing, stillness, and growth. It also sees the genre-bending artist explore a new sound, leaning into his soulful vocals, live instrumentation, and poetic lyricism as a songwriter. Zayn recently performed at the O2 Shepherd Bush Empire in London, but this will mark his first time going on a large tour since leaving One Direction. The March performance in London was also the first time he has been on stage since he quit the boy band. He has scheduled but then pulled out of live dates in the years since he left the hugely successful boy band, explaining how his anxiety spirals when he is on stage solo. In his 2016 memoir, the singer reflected on his battle with stage fright and anxiety. "I found it really frustrating that even now that I was being upfront about what the issue was, some people still found reasons to doubt it," he said. "But that's the industry." He said that being part of One Direction allowed him to push through his anxiety, but as a solo performer he had become overwhelmed. "As a solo performer, I felt much more exposed and the psychological stress of performing had just gotten to be too much for me to handle at that moment, at least," he wrote. Zayn has been making a steady return to the spotlight in recent weeks, making appearances at New York Fashion Week and the US Open. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.